Welcome to DelphStack. In this video, I will show you how to fix the bad request timestamp error on Windows 11. This error usually happens when your system date or time is not synced correctly. Many apps and online services check your computer time for security reasons. If the time does not match the server time, the request gets rejected. First, go to the bottom right corner of your screen. Right-click on the clock in the taskbar and select Adjust Date and Time. This will open the date and time settings in Windows. Now find the option called Set Time Automatically and turn it off. After that, find Set Time Zone Automatically and turn it off as well. This step allows Windows to reset the time settings properly. Next, scroll down until you see additional settings. Under this section, click on Sync Now. Wait a few seconds while Windows connects to the time server and updates your system clock. Once the sync is finished, go back up and turn Set Time Automatically back on. Then turn Set Time Zone Automatically back on too. This helps keep your system time accurate in the future. After completing these steps, close the settings window and restart the app or service that was showing the error. In most cases, the issue should now be fixed. Thanks for watching.